All right guys, Derek here at the Holmes Group. We've got a pretty nasty hole here. We don't want anybody tripping in this or falling. It's concrete, so we can get a concrete patching kit, which is pretty handy. You don't have to do any guesswork with mixing concrete and water. It's a pouch with your sand mixture, your chemical mixture, and then you have your liquid mixture here. All we'll do is burst this together, fill the hole, and make a hole disappear. It's like a wound. Imagine you had a wound, you want to clean it up before you bandage it. So I want to get anything loose out of here that's not going to let this concrete fill the patch right. So all this loose gravel, sand, you want to get it out of there because that's not going to let this mix bond to this concrete. All right, that's looking pretty good. My hole's clean. There's no dust in there. The only thing is, it's dry. You're gonna want a little water on the surface. You're gonna want to saturate the surface, but you don't want any standing water. So what I'm gonna do is take a water bottle, poke a little hole. You can get a little squirt gun or something, whatever you got lying around. I just want to saturate the surface, maybe around the top too. That's good. Just feels damp, that's all you want. Concrete's gonna need something to bond to. If all the concrete around in your hole is too dry, as soon as this mixture goes in here, this concrete might soak it up too quickly and dry out this and it won't adhere properly. So we want it a little wet. This is gonna set pretty quickly in about 5 minutes. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. Sand mixture, liquid mixture. It says to burst seal, roll in this direction. So I'm gonna start rolling here. The pressure from the liquid is gonna burst the seal along here, hopefully perfectly. Oh, yes! There we go. Now we can just mix this back and forth. Give it a good shake up. There's lots of dry stuff in there. You want it all mixed well. Like in the corners here, you can see there's a little dry powder. Get that out of there. All right, feels pretty good. Now you can cut any corner you want. Just cut a small little corner off. It'll be easier for you to navigate the fluid into the hole. All right, just pour it in. It could self-level just a little bit. So just fill up everywhere you need to here. Roll the bag out. All right, now what you want to do is just smooth it out. Flush with your surface. Once you get that leveled with your surface, take about 5 minutes to dry.
Take about an hour and
you can have heavy traffic on it. You're good to go.